Just a quick reminder, if you're enjoying this series, I have a book that goes along with it. There's a link to that below. Thanks. All right, in this video, we're going to look at pandas set option. And we have set option written in this line of code right here. Pandas set option allows you to change various settings inside of your coding environment. We're going to see how it works specifically in the context of viewing data frames. So let's look at this first cell of code right here. So we have import pandas as PD, so we're bringing in the pandas library. Then we're using the pandas read CSV function to bring in the Apple 61 dataset. And then we're naming the dataset df. That's the variable name we're giving it. And then we're using display to view the dataset. So let's run this code, see what we get. Okay, so here's our data frame. As you can see, based on the index numbers here, a lot of the rows are being cut off. So we're not seeing most of the rows. And this is happening because in Python, by default, if you have more than 60 rows, you only see the first 5 and the final 5 when you print or display your data frame. And as we can see here, there's 61 rows. And so that's why we're getting this cutoff right here. But we can use set option to change that. So let's look at this code right here. So we have pandas, we're referencing pandas, then set underscore option. And then in quotations, we have display dot max rows. And then we have none here. So let's run this code. Okay, nothing's changed yet, but let's go back up here and run this. Okay, and as we can see, every row is now displayed. And we're able to use this scroller over here to go up and down and see all of the rows. If you had columns cut off, which can happen if you have a lot of columns, you could simply change rows to columns and run that, and then you'd be able to see all of the columns. And that's how pandas set option works in the context of viewing data frames.